there! I just saw your comment on one of my shorts regarding any advice I had about the Civics bee. And first of all, I want to say thank you so much for being part of our channel and for watching our videos. We truly appreciate it. And second of all, I recently saw someone else had commented on one of my Civics bee videos about advice on the Civics bee as well. And that comment came a while ago. And I just want to say I'm so sorry for never responding to you. I only recently saw that, otherwise I would have responded immediately. And so hopefully this video helps them as well, and if not, at least accept my apology, please. Anyway, regarding advice for the Civics bee, now your competition is coming near. I think it's like 2-ish weeks away, so there's not much I can help you with regarding the content. I mean, I'm sure you've already researched everything that there is to know about the departments. You've used credible sources, you've found out all of the acts, and you've already written your essay and know what your 1 or maybe it was 3 sentences is going to be on. However, I can offer you 3 pieces of advice. Number 1, regarding the essay topic, pick something that is not short-lived, but rather long-lived. And if you don't know what I mean by that, I'm using my own example. I talked about societal injustice, and that's not going away anytime soon. It's something that's going to keep on coming up. So it's something that I can talk about for many years. So try picking a topic like that so that if you start the Civics bee in 6th grade, which is the youngest that you can be, then you can use that same topic in 7th grade and 8th grade and just keep on expanding on it instead of restarting at square one. My second piece of advice to you is pick something that resonates with you, your family, your best friends, your parents' friends, your grandparents, literally anyone that you know. Pick something that resonates with them so that you can relate yourself to it. Now, going back to my example, I know a few people who had some injustice done to them, so that's why I was able to make my essay and my speech something that I cared about and something that I could personally talk about because I had personal experience with it. And now, my third piece of advice for you is pick something that the judges can also visualize. So this is kind of like combining my first piece of advice with my second piece of advice, because I know that my Civics bee speech was a little bit over, but I don't think that's the sole reason as to why I got 2nd place. I think the biggest reason is that the judges couldn't relate with me because they never had anything like that happen to them. However, the guy that won 1st place, he had something about lawnmowers, or maybe it was landscaping. It's hard to remember, but it had something to do with our front yard and backyard, and pretty much everyone has one of those. So it was easier for the judges to relate with him than it was for me, where I was coming up with social injustice. So these are my 3 pieces of advice for you. Pick something that you resonate with, pick something that is long-lasting, and pick something that the judges can visualize as well. And even if you don't do as well as you hoped in the Civics bee, you know, we are an entrepreneur YouTube channel anyway, so maybe your essay idea will be your next startup. Good luck at your Civics bee competition, and let me know how you do. Bye!